Today, on 22nd September 2025, a huge crowd of people was seen on the premise of DCLR Sadar Darbhanga. These people have come to submit the necessary documents for re-verification of their identity, whereas they had already submitted the required documents to their respective BLOs during SIR. As per the date mentioned in the notice issued by the DCLR, all these people will have to submit their documents for re-verification today itself, whereas the new voter list after SIR is going to be published on 30th September 2025.
मुसलमान का गड़बड़ाया है ये लोग।
देखिए हो गया, देख रहे सब में हो गया। नंबर लग जाएगा।
आधार कार्ड में है ना, फोटो चल जाओ।